Are you over 50 and looking for a fresh, modern hairstyle? Well, you're in for a treat. Hairstyling, especially at this stage in life, is about so much more than just maintenance. It's a powerful form of self-expression and an opportunity to embrace your own unique style. Now, let's talk about short blonde hairstyles for women over 50. What are they exactly? Well, in essence, these are hairstyles that are short, easy to maintain, and designed to work with the texture and color of blonde hair. They're specifically tailored to complement the features and skin tones commonly found in women over 50, making them a perfect choice for those looking to refresh their look. Compared to hairstyles for other age groups and hair colors, short blonde hairstyles for women over 50 offer a unique blend of sophistication, playfulness, and elegance. They're modern, chic, and most importantly, they make a statement about who you are. As you can see, short blonde hairstyles for women over 50 are not just about convenience, they are a statement of style and personality. So why are short blonde hairstyles ideal for women over 50? Well, let's dive into that. One of the biggest benefits of sporting a short hairstyle is that it's incredibly easy to manage. No more spending hours on end styling your hair. A short haircut is as simple as wash and go. It's a time saver and a game changer. On top of being easy to manage, short hairstyles are also incredibly trendy. They offer a modern, chic look that can instantly update your style. And don't we all love to stay in vogue? But the real magic of short blonde hairstyles lies in their rejuvenating effect. A well-styled short haircut can give your facial features a lift, making you look and feel younger. It's amazing how a good haircut can boost your confidence and brighten your overall demeanor. In essence, a good haircut can boost your confidence and make you feel younger. Now, what are some of the trendiest short blonde hairstyles for women over 50 in 2024? Well, the pixie cut is still making waves this year, with a variety of styles to suit all face shapes. It's chic, easy to maintain, and can be styled in countless ways. Another popular style is the bob cut, which can be customized with layers and bangs, or kept sleek and straight for a classic look. It's a versatile cut that can be adapted to suit your personal style. For those who prefer a bit more length, the lob or long bob is a fantastic option. It offers a bit more versatility in terms of styling, while still being easy to manage. But what if you're feeling a bit adventurous? The undercut is a bold choice for those looking to make a statement. It's edgy, modern, and definitely on trend this year. Remember, the best hairstyle for you is one that makes you feel comfortable and confident, regardless of the current trends. Maintaining your short blonde hairstyle is crucial. To keep your hair vibrant and healthy, remember to regularly hydrate and nourish it. A high-quality color-protecting shampoo and conditioner is a must-have. Don't forget to treat your hair to a deep conditioning mask once a week. For those sunnier days, UV protection sprays can be your best friend. Lastly, regular trims will keep your style fresh and prevent split ends. With the right care, your short blonde hairstyle can stay vibrant and beautiful for longer. Finally, let's address some common questions about short blonde hairstyles for women over 50. Is it hard to maintain? Not at all. It's actually one of the easiest styles to care for. Will it suit my face? Absolutely. With a variety of cuts available, there's a perfect fit for every face shape. Can I still be stylish? Of course, short blonde hair is incredibly versatile and trendy. Remember, every woman is unique and so is her hair. So don't be afraid to experiment and find the right style for you.